Well, all right, welcome back to Hottor's Chronicles, where we go on this journey called Life Together. And today we're going to unbox two items at the very same time. And these items are for our own range, and we'll share more about that later. But guess what? Today we're going to go ahead and unbox this GlowShot. It has 100 targets in it, right? What I like about this one here is that it actually, when you hit it, it actually go ahead and has a little splatter so you can see what's going on. I got this from Amazon. Again, you can get it from anywhere, but Amazon, 100 of them cost me roughly about $42.99 for about for 100 of these. Okay, so you can get other types and versions and different things. You don't have to get this particular brand, but the bottom line is that, hey, when you shoot it from a distance, you don't have to bring it in and see, well, where did I hit? You can actually see because of the splatter. So let's go ahead and open up our next item here, this EZYoutdoor target system here. Well, it's a target stand. And in this, let's look at this target stand here. Again, I bought this from Amazon, and I bought it and what I liked about it is adjustable for different size targets. So, you know, don't have to constantly buy a new stand or anything like that. And it's for paper targets. And let's see what it comes with. Again, I got this from Amazon. I don't get any promotions or anything like that. But hey, just like the channel. Let me know what you think. And it cost me about $16 and maybe 19 cents or what have you. But it comes with the clips. And we'll make another video where we install it and set it up and things of that nature. But as you can see, let's see, that's it. Yep, that's all that's in the box. Now this right here goes into the ground. And you have, I think, 2, 4, 6, 8 clips. These 8 clips are to hold the targets. So if you would, let's go a little further here. See what else they sent to us. Okay, so these are for obviously go in here to make it, you know, stand as a stand, and these will go on, you know, into these portions here, so that you can go ahead and connect them all together. So, and it's very important. Oh, and I forgot to mention these pieces here, so it can go together, so they can screw right on in here, you know, and basically have this and this right here, and these clamping and holding them on to it. Okay, so that's why I did these together, so you can see. And you have, since you have 2 on this side, and you have this on this side and 1 on the other side, and you can set it up at different range, handle your business. Okay, so that's what we got here today. Just wanted you to see what's going on and how unbox this for us. Hey, let me know what you think. Let me know if you have one, if you like it, what's your experience with these? Let me know, drop it in the comments. And if you like what you see, please like the channel, subscribe, and then of course share, okay? Let me know what your thoughts are, all right? Thank you so much, and come again.